what I can take back. Those ones from HomeGoods. But yeah, no, it's not looking too good. What's up, guys? So last time I talked to you guys, I was at Dollar Tree. It was a bust, but then it wasn't. I ended up picking up some like super cool arts and crafts type stuff, some stuff that I'll be able to do my DIY projects with. So I'm just chilling here. I just kind of got here literally like maybe 15 minutes ago. I had some packages delivered from Amazon. I've been really buying some stuff from Amazon. And I bought some side tables that I'm going to have hopefully nested on the side of my bed. And then I also got this other cool thing. Let me show y'all. So I know this is hilarious, but I ended up picking up this mannequin and it was for the free. I ended up getting it. It's a body form, and I got it from this clothing store in the Gold Coast area, kind of similar or kind of close to my job, and they are closing, unfortunately. So they were getting rid of tons of stuff from the store, fixtures, I mean hangers, all kind of stuff. And so I asked the gentleman if I could take home this lovely mannequin. And you know, mannequins are expensive, y'all, so I was excited that I got this for free actually. So really great. Let me get closer because the quality of this mannequin is ridiculous. Like, look at it, like, oh my god. And it came with a head too. I thought the head was a little freaky, especially me just being here by myself, but I put the topper on it. The arms are wooden, they're flexible, can move around. Okay guys, y'all ready for the reveal of the tables? Bam. So this, it's funny because this poster board is like damn near, I guess, the width of what a, I guess, queen size bed would be, kind of, sort of. So yeah, but probably like just a little bit. I did measure with the like closet door open what it would be like, you know, so I think that's like a great position for that one at least. This one may have to scoot over to the left or to the right, who knows, once I get the bed frame in here. The bed frame that I ordered is a canopy styled, poster board style black frame, so it's going to be like tall and really black. So I wanted to get some nightstands that'll kind of like mimic the structure, but bringing in the circular top is pretty cool. I was just thinking that I was not going to need a screwdriver or anything, but it turns out that I did. So the top tray comes off. You can use it as an actual tray, like, so I thought that would be dope for the bed, because if I wanted to eat or whatever, I could use the top part of my nightstand as a tray. But yeah, these little holes are for those screws, and I needed a screwdriver for that part, but they gave the what is that thing called? I forgot, but that tool that you can use, I think it's called like Allen wrench or something like that. They gave that to assemble the rest of it. So all I need to do is get my screwdriver over here and I'll be all good. But yeah, so that's pretty dope. I want to get some lamps because this side of the apartment, this room, doesn't have any like actual lighting in here besides what's in the closet. So I need to get some lamps. I still have the patio set out here. I'm not, you know, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it, honestly, because I feel like I was looking at a lot of other patio furniture and they're all gray or black. They're all neutral colors anyway. Maybe it's just about getting some cushions that are a really nice, like, you know, color or pattern. I have some trash that I need to take out, and then I'm about to go back to HomeGoods. I'm going to go ahead and return this because, like I said, it's not going to work in my space, but I did end up purchasing on Amazon the like curtain rods that hang from the ceiling, you know what I mean, like that pole. Once they get here, I'll definitely show you guys. But yeah, so these are gonna go back, and then I also ended up picking up some other shower curtain like rings, and they're gonna go back too. And I don't think I shared this yesterday, I think it was, but I also got these in the mail. They were from Amazon as well, and anything that I'm talking about from Amazon, I could totally link it down below for y'all. It's not the exact same color. However, in my mind, I'm thinking I will have my two velvet chairs right here in this area with like some type of artwork or a huge mirror or something in this little nook, because I think that would be really cute, kind of like a seating area. And then the curtains are obviously going to be on the wall, or you know, up against the window area, so you're not going to see that they're off. Like looking at them, you're going to feel like they're the same color. Like, let me show you. Okay, so look at this. I even turned on my flash, as you can see. And then look at that, right? You can't tell. You cannot tell. Like, I just put my drips on the floor. But you can't tell. Like, you see a vibrant green, you see a vibrant green here. You can't tell that they're two different shades because they're further away from each other. Then obviously my drapes are not going to drape over the chair. So it works. Like, I think it works. I think it'll be totally fine. Really excited that I got those drapes. I can't wait till the actual curtain rod comes so I can install them, because obviously people can just look into my place and that ain't cute. All right, y'all, I've made it to Homegoods. I did my return, but I'm trying to figure out if they have some stuff that I may want / need for my apartment. I really need bar stools. I need a coffee table as well. And I would love a media console type of thing that I can also like transition to a bar, something like that. So bar cart, media console, bar stools, and coffee table. But I'm not seeing a ton right now. This is really pretty. Actually, it's more green than it is blue, but it's coming up really blue. These chairs are really cute too. Yeah, I'm not seeing bar stools besides like those, which I don't like. I would love a bench also at the end of my bed if I can fit it. You know, you already know the spacing is crazy, but I like this color, and I like that it's not like a bench like this where it just cuts off. I like that it has this little, y'all, this fan is hilarious. It's like unnecessary. I do need lamps for my bedroom, so oh, they have it in white as well. Nice. But I want like a modern dope lamp. Like, I love this kind of like structure. Yeah, I don't know. This one is really cute. Another fan. I like this glass. I just feel like the shade is a little too massive for that area. This little vanity set is super cute too, but I think it's more of a farmhouse kind of feel, and that's definitely not my vibe. So, but this is so cute, y'all. Okay, hi. So I'm in Target now, as you can see. This is exactly what I'm kind of looking for, like to go underneath that area where I want the TV to go. I need something like, I want it to be low to the like ground, basically like this, low profile. And I just want it to like conceal the stuff that needs to be concealed, but then also highlight the stuff that needs to be like highlighted. And I love this color, but I don't love this price. I'm gonna see if I can find something like this on Amazon. Amazon's been my like go-to, y'all. But yeah, I like this too. I want something similar to this, but maybe like more narrow for the bathroom. Let me show you guys what I got in my cart too. All right, guys, so here is the cart. So basically I found these, and I think these are really dope. I love the like how clean and streamlined it is, but it gives you that pop of like gold, obviously. Then I found these, and I don't know if you can tell, but let me lift her up. It has this really unique base to it, which I think is really dope. It's definitely the same like color and everything, but this is actually $10 cheaper. So this is $20. These are $30. But it's like, I love the simplicity of this one, but I really like the unique base of this one. I don't like how fat this like head of the lamp is, and I love how narrow that one is. I don't know, I'm still deciding, y'all. I didn't phone friends, tried to figure out so they could just help me decide. But yeah, and then there's some bathroom stuff I found that I love. Y'all, I just got home from Target and home at my new apartment, and I wanted to drop off all the stuff that I just picked up so that I don't have to lug it all the way back to my other apartment, you know. So I thought I might as well go ahead and share with y'all what I did purchase. So I got a couple of cleaning supplies. Like I said in my last vlog, I believe I need to kind of clean more of my bathroom area. So this is one of the things I got to like clean up in there. This is from Clorox, the tub and tile scrubber. I feel like I just saw a commercial about this literally like a day ago, probably on YouTube. But this is one of those where you can like super extend it and super clean the tile. You don't have to feel like you're pain in your back, y'all. I also got another scrubber, and it has this really thick like handle on it, and you scrub like the tub and stuff. This is from Scotch-Brite. It's the floating tub and tile scrubber. So I also ended up picking up the Swiffer wet jet like pads. I love this, and especially because I don't have like flooring, wood floors or tile floors in my entire apartment. It's just in the bathroom and the restroom. I mean, it's just in the bathroom and the kitchen. So I got more of these. I actually have the wet jet at my old apartment, so I'll definitely be bringing that here. Ended up picking up some Clorox bleach because you gotta keep it disinfected. And then I also picked up this Mr. Clean for, you know, mopping and stuff like that when it's like, you know, you really gotta get it clean. So yeah, those are the cleaning supplies I believe I have. I also picked up this laundry basket because, you know, my laundry is like literally 2 floors down. I just think it's gonna be so dope. So I'm just gonna, as soon as this fills up, wash my clothes. That is my idea of, you know, a routine. Just fill it up and wash it. Not that I needed to buy another candle because y'all know I didn't. Living in the city, that's what happened. So not because I needed to pick up another candle, but I went on ahead and did, because this is a Virgo candle. Super cute. I love the packaging and everything, very sleek. It says Virgo, the loyal goddess, obviously. Then I got a couple of things from the Hearth and Hand collection. I love Joanna Gaines. Like, she's, you know, girl. So I got this tray. I thought this tray was super cute. I can't wait to like style it in my bathroom. And then to go along with the tray, I ended up picking up this super cute soap dispenser. So the last thing for my bathroom is this super cute Kleenex holder. I thought this was so adorable. It just looks really good all together. So I can't wait to like style up my bathroom, make it look very spa-like and everything. Then the very last thing, which I showed you guys in Target, I ended up picking up these. So I got this one. I definitely was on the fence. I wanted to get the other ones because I love the way that the base was like crisscrossy. I thought it was very unique. But, you know, at the end of the day, they ended up being kind of short, and I like how tall and gooseneck these are. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna just try it in the space, and if I don't like it, I'll end up swapping it out. I can easily return it and get the other ones, but I just like how sleek these were. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna just try it out and see. All right, guys, so that is the end of my haul. I am about to head home. I'm feeling kind of tired, a little fatigued. I've been ripping and running all day, and I hope that I was able to share a lot of stuff with you guys because I did run a lot of errands today, but I feel like I didn't whip out my like camera or anything. I went to Marshall's, I went to HomeGoods, I went to Target. Obviously, you guys saw that. But yeah, I don't know. I just was like doing a lot of different things, and I was packing a whole bunch this morning, which I have not been vlogging the packing process because honestly, I've been just really trying to be focused. It's been a really like tough time packing because I like wake up early and pack, and then I'll, you know, go to work, and then I'll come back home and I'll pack again, and then, you know, it's just been really early mornings and really late nights, and I'm exhausted, y'all. So I'm gonna go home and chill. I will see you guys in the next vlog.